Hey, it's Rihanna, aka Rhea, the cutest little Cali chick, and I'm back with another video. Good morning! It is very early in the morning, and I just finished getting myself together. I'm still a little bit groggy, a little bit sleepy, but hey, let's do this. Let's get the day started. I am very excited about my video that I have for you guys today. I am going to recreate this delicious banana caramelized sugary buttery sauce for your French toast. I am so excited about this sauce. Okay, so the very first time that I tried this sauce, I was on vacation in Minnesota with my best friend, my bestie, and I ordered the French toast. I usually don't try anything new, but when I'm out with him at restaurants, he usually has a great sense of taste for what's delicious on the menu. So I decided to go ahead and try the sauce. Okay, so I tasted the sauce. I absolutely fell in love with the sauce. It was so sweet, it was so buttery, it just had a hint of banana, not too much banana. It was absolutely delicious. So now I'm in love with the sauce. I can't even eat French toast without the sauce. I have to have this whenever I make French toast. My kids love it, my brother loves it, my husband loves it. Everybody really enjoys this sauce. So I want to bring my friends with me, and I want to go ahead and show you guys how I make my version of this banana sweet sauce. It's so delicious. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, keep watching, stay tuned. Thank you to all my supporters. I'm on a road to 100. I know like every supporter counts and every supporter is very special to me. And if you're new to my channel, this is your very first video watching, please stay tuned. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Okay, let's jump straight into all the ingredients. Nice butter bread. I love to use butter bread because it's nice and fluffy and spongy for this recipe. Brown sugar, wooden spoon, butter, eggs, cinnamon, and milk. Also for the brown sugar, I use light brown sugar. Each egg for me, for my French toast, gives me about 2 to 3 slices with the milk of French toast. So with 3 eggs, I can get anywhere from about 6 slices of French toast to 9 slices of French toast. Delicious. Now what I'm doing now is I'm just washing the egg off of my hand because egg has salmonella. You don't want to cross-contaminate while you're cooking. So now I'm just seasoning my scrambled eggs with some cinnamon, and I'm just going to scramble them just like how you would just scramble scrambled eggs. But of course, this is our French toast batter. Yummy, yummy, yum. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just beat that with the cinnamon. Add more cinnamon if I like. You can add as much as you prefer. It's not a specific amount. It depends on how much cinnamon you like on your French toast. So I'm just gonna beat that up really good because it just works better for me to just mix these up really good before I add the milk. Now I'm just gonna add it up and it gives me that nice mixed look. I can just tell it's so yummy. I could just tell by the way it's looking and the consistency. Yummy! So now I'm gonna butter my pan. Yummy! I love butter, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, I love butter. Okay, so now I'm just adding a little bit more cinnamon because once I start using the batter, you kind of just have to eyeball it to see if you need more cinnamon depending on how you like your French toast. So I butter the pan, and I can do at least 2 in the pan, in my pan. I can do 2 at a time. And again, I'm just rinsing and washing my hands because the egg and the batter will get on your hands and in your nails, and you just need to make sure you're not cross-contaminating while you're cooking. And I'll just quickly show you the ingredients again if you missed it in the beginning of the video, what you use for the sauce. Yummy. I have to wait until it gets nice and brown on each side, and then you're going to flip. So what I use for the sauce, again, is light brown sugar, banana, butter, and I also use a wooden spoon. It's just easier for me when I'm making any kind of sauce to just use a wooden spoon. It just works better for me because sometimes you're using it on such high heat. Now I'm flipping that out. See how it's like smoking? When you're cooking something like French toast, it can get very hot. In order to keep your pan from getting burned and your French toast from getting burned, you just need to remove the pan and then add your butter. That way your butter won't get all dark brown and icky. I do not like that. So then it will have a chance to cool down, and then you can put it back on the eye. It will remain like hot enough to cook the French toast, but it won't be hot, too hot to burn the French toast or the butter. So now I'm just waiting for it to brown, and then we're going to flip. Yummy, golden brown, delicious. That is absolutely delicious. You guys, I'm getting hungry watching this video. I think I'm going to make some French toast after this. It's delicious. Yummy. So again, I'm removing it off the heat and then adding my butter so it can melt the butter super fast, but not make the butter so brown and icky or burn the French toast. Now, who else on that last piece of French toast? You have to get all that mixture on there, like sop it up. We're not about wasting around here, so that's what I'm doing right now. Yummy. And so that's it. Those are the last 2 slices. If you only want to watch the sauce, I will have the link and the timestamp in the description below, so that way you can just skip straight to the sauce. But I wanted to show you guys kind of like start to finish on how I make my French toast, how I make my eggs, and then I will have the sauce. The sauce is coming soon. Did you guys see me add some more butter? I freaking love butter, okay? Butter is so good. Like, I love it. It's so good. Yummy. So here I am. I'm about to scramble some eggs. I love using this dish to scramble my eggs. It's glass and it's kind of tall. It makes it to where I make sure that I'm not getting any splatter from scrambling on anything else because at this point, most things will be done. Everyone seasons their eggs differently, but I love seasoned eggs. So here I am seasoning them up, not putting too much salt, but just using salt, garlic powder, and then that's some pepper right there. Whisk, whisk it up, whisk it up, whisk it up. Backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. Yummy. I like for my pan to get really hot, as hot as it can stand, before I scramble my eggs because when they're almost finished, I turn off the pan because I like them to look bright yellow. I like them to be fluffy. That's my little bowl. I'm going to put the eggs in when I'm finished with them, and then after that, we will get straight into the sauce. You have to keep your hands washed in between. Extra virgin olive oil. Again, everyone cooks and seasons their eggs differently, but this is just my version and my take on how I do my breakfast. Yummy. Yummy. Scramble, scramble, scramble it up. Scramble, scramble, scramble it up. Yes, I'm just keeping them nice and yellow and fluffy. Yeah, I'm just taking them off the eye because I want them to finish cooking, but I don't want them to be so like dried out. I don't like dried out eggs. Ooh, steamy, smoky. Ooh, yummy, delicious. Almost time to eat. So now I'm getting straight into this buttery, sugary, caramel, brown sugar banana sauce. Let's go. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to peel the banana, put it on a plate, and just go ahead and slice it. It can be in whatever size you like, but from my experience, slicing it kind of thin like this makes it easier for the sauce because it's kind of like a quick sauce. So you just give it a slice. You only need about one banana for about, like I said, 6 to 8 slices of French toast. That's 2 tablespoons of butter, but altogether I believe I used 4 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You will probably have to double the recipe if you're using more French toast than what I'm using, or if you just like to have more of a syrup sauce on your French toast. So it's all about preference for this, you guys. Just make it how you like it and just kind of wing it and fill it, and it will work. So we're putting the butter in there. We're going to melt that butter. We're going to have it on high heat and then we're going to turn it down to medium heat. I'm adding the extra 2 tablespoons of butter here and it's melting up. Like again, this is a fast sauce. You don't want to like waste time because the brown sugar will caramelize. See, I'm turning it down again. It will caramelize too much and it will become almost like candy and it won't be like a syrup. It will like get stuck and dried out. So you want to add your bananas, mix it up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now we're going to kind of like dice the bananas into the sauce. See, I'm adding more butter. That's not what the recipe calls for, but I'm doing it because guess what? I love butter, okay? I love it. Now, this is where we're going to cut the bananas up, make them a little bit smaller because let's get straight to the sauce. Like, look at this sauce. It's perfect. Yum. This is the final result, you guys. This is my French toast. I already ate my eggs because I eat my eggs first. Shouts out to anybody else who eats their eggs first while they're hot. And I just drizzled it all over the French toast. Yum. Please let me know in the comments below if you decide to try the sauce. I absolutely love it. My family loves it. And thanks again for watching. Have a great one. Be safe out there, guys. See you in the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Rhea, out.